Good morning students. Today we will study in this session different types of gene mutation. So in the different types of gene mutation we have the first type, that is substitution. Now what is the substitution type of gene mutation? It is a mutation that exchanges one base for the another, that is a change in a single chemical letter such as switching an A to a G. Such a substitution could change a codon to one that encodes a different amino acid and cause a small change in the protein produced. Suppose here, for example, it is given that A changes to the G. Here the sequence it is given CTGGAG. So whenever the mutation occurs, what happens? Here the A is replaced by G as we have mentioned here. So this kind of mutation is known as substitution gene mutation. Example of this substitution gene mutation is sickle cell anemia disease, which is caused by substitution in beta hemoglobin gene, which alters a single amino acid in the protein produced. Now here you can see the picture. Here the particular normal red blood cells are there, and if the sickle cell anemia occurs for the particular person, how this RBC occur in shape, that is sickle shape RBC remains, and here you can see that this glutamic acid, it is replaced by the amino acid, that is valine, and the individual, they are known as mutant as mutation has occurred, and the sequence also gets changed. Here you can see this is CAG is there, this is CTC is there for glutamic acid, that is the normal person, whereas those person that are having or they are experiencing the sickle cell anemia, amino acid sequence gets altered, that is T replaced by A, and here A is replaced by T. So the particular amino acid will be the valine. Second is insertion. These are mutation in which extra base pairs are inserted into a new place in the DNA. Here the original sequence you can see here, CTGGAG is there. So here up till this, after double G, here this three particular this gene they are inserted, and the new sequence is as follows, that is CTGGTGGAG. So this type of mutation is known as insertion mutation. Here the example of insertion mutation is Huntington's disease, which is a brain disorder that affects a person's ability to think, talk and move. It is abbreviated as HD. What happens, the coding region of this gene contains the DNA sequence CAG repeated again and again. The number of times this triplet is repeated, it varies from person to person, ranging from 10 to 26 times, which means that this sequence CAG from person to person, it can repeat 10 times also, 12 times also, 15 times also, 20 times also, 26 times also. So this is, you can see original DNA code for an amino acid sequence, then repeated trinucleotide, that is CAG, how many times it is repeated, that is 1 is this, 2, then 3, like this way it is repeated, you can see here. Third type of gene mutation is deletion. They are the mutation in which a section of DNA is lost or deleted. Here you can see the sequence, that is CTGGAG is there, and CTAG final sequence is there. Now here what happens, this GG sequence is that is been deleted, so that's why it is known as deletion type of gene mutation. Example of this deletion gene mutation is cystic fibrosis, which is a genetic disorder that affects respiratory and digestive system. People with this cystic fibrosis inherit a defective gene on chromosome 7 called CFTR, that is cystic fibrosis transmembrane conductance regulator, that is the full form of this CFTR, and this is the particular sequence that is shown. Next is the frame shift. Insertion and deletion can alter a gene so that its message is no longer correctly passed. This usually generates truncated proteins that are as useless. These changes are called as frame shift, which means that whenever the insertion or deletion type of gene mutation occur, what happens, the particular original sequence gets changed and it do not code for a proper sequence. So it can lead to the proteins that are formed and that are the not useful proteins are formed. So this happens in case of frame shift mutation. Example of this frame shift is the disease Tay-Sachs disease, or it is also known as hexoaminidase A deficiency. It is a rare autosomal recessive genetic disorder, causes a progressive deterioration of nerve cells and of mental and physical abilities that begins around 7 months of age and usually results in death by the age of 4. It is caused by the gene mutation in the hexa gene on human chromosome 15. This is the normal hexa allele is shown, and this is the sequence that is shown in the disease, that is Tay-Sachs. Now here students, you can see these are the particular amino acid that are formed in the normal hexa allele, but whenever this particular syndrome results, the sequence get changed. Here you can see TCC is there, so here one C it is replaced by T, and here TAT is there, so here AT is there and then the C comes here. So this is how the sequence get altered. I hope students this substitution, insertion, deletion and frame shift mutation are clear to you, because all the examples are given and the sequence are shown that what changes occur along with the disorder, that is the example of different type of gene mutation. If any doubt is there, you can mention in the comment section. Thank you.